2007. Now, can I flush all of the toilet paper down?
I don't know.
Because I heard these can flush lots.
Oh, why don't we just, after we put the top back on, then you can try to flush some down.
Can I do it all?
No, it might clog. We can put a
I
bunch
heard
in.
these are really good flushers.
We can put a bunch in just to see after you do that part. Huh?
We'll go here sometime.
Oh, maybe.
I think so.